Hello, Jo Acholi, Nini. Welcome to Chaka Leb Acholi and Jackline Ikang of Court. This is segment Mingo, Kwan Leb Acholi. Apoamatek. Please join the live. Share with your friends on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, on all of your platforms, please. Welcome, welcome. I will start reading in a minute or so. Please welcome. Invite your friends to join the live. Please watch along. Welcome to Chaka Leb Acholi. You can follow us on YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi and also on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi. I am on TikTok as Chaka Ikang South Sudan. I'm on Facebook, my own Facebook, as Chaka Ikang South Sudan. Apoamatek. Today I will be reading about Obbo Lacam, the Obbo territories to the left. Remember, Aburi separated Obbo into two because it's too large and it's overpopulated. There's too many issues for him to handle by himself. So he assigned his brother Onyala to be his deputy, be in charge of governing Obbo Lacam or Obbo territories to the left. And he would be in charge of Obbo territories to the right, Obbo Lacam. Okay, I'm not going to spend too much time on reflections. I concluded what I wanted to read so far about Obbo. There's a lot more details about Obbo in general that the writer will cover, but I'm going to skip that and go to Obbo Lacam today. I want to read briefly about Obbo Lacam today, and sometime this week I will start reading about Padyeri, where I'm from, where my father's from. Okay. At some point in the future, I will come back and read the full chapter on Obbo. Right now, I want to read a little bit about Obbo Lacam, briefly, before I jump to Padyeri in the next couple of days, okay? Apoamatek. If you want to catch up to this point, please go watch previous videos. Apoamatek. As you all know, the chiefdom of Jo Acholi ended with Benjamin Obbo after the CPA in 2005. Benjamin Obbo was from Lowodo. Remember now, this was during the civil war in Sudan, Anyanya 2, when everybody had left Sudan and they needed to appoint someone, so they appointed somebody from Lowodo named Benjamin Obbo. People had been displaced. Some ran to refugee camps in nearby countries or regional countries. And very few that were left, they were not from the families of the chiefs, from the lineage of chiefs, meaning the Abong people. When Joseph Otira was appointed in 1990, the last born son of Aburi was still alive. His name is Fred Owori. Many Obbo people wanted him to be appointed at that time. However, the British decided to appoint Joseph Otira from Logolo. Okay. Drop your comments if I'm pronouncing that correctly, or if I need to pronounce it correctly. Please share the best pronunciation for that gang me the Obbo called Logolo. Okay. All right. So after Ghana, Benjamin was appointed in 2005. The chiefdom ends there. The chiefdom of Obbo ends there. The Abong people were told, if you guys ever want to resume the chiefdom of Obbo, You guys would just have to show up in Southern Sudan or in Obbo and say you want to take back your chiefdom, because the true chiefdom of Obbo can only come from one family and one subclan, which is Abong and Obbo, and it has to be from the families of Buri, Abarai, Kasiba, and so forth. Okay. So then the next section within this chapter is how he goes into detail as to how the Abong people separated themselves, how they split up. He goes way back to the beginning again and start going into detail about what happened to Abong and bringing us back to speed to where I just ended reading. I don't want to go back into detail. I know most of the detail. However, I do see some interesting facts here that I didn't cover. We will visit that later on. I want to go to Obbo Lacam today. Okay. I'm just going to give you some brief highlights of topics we're missing while I go to read Obbo Lacam. Okay. So the sections he's going to cover on the side of Obbo Lacam that I'm skipping over for now are how Obong Opore, okay, and then he goes into how Abarayota all over again, more details. Okay, we already know how he died, but he goes back and re-explains other key points that he may have missed. And then he goes into who killed Onyala. Now, in the beginning, in the parts that I've been reading, I did not read anything that said Onyala was killed. So right now he introduces the topic of Onyala's death, posing the question, who killed Onyala, not Olanya, who killed Onyala? Excuse me. I don't mean to be laughing this hard. Okay, who killed Onyala? Onyala is the brother of Aburi. Remember, he's the deputy that Aburi assigned to Obbo Lacam while he was in charge of Obbo Lacam. Okay, so now he's introducing the topic, explaining how Onyala died and who killed him. Okay. Now, please drop your comments under this video. If you want me to stay on the side of Obbo Lacam and read the full thing before jumping ahead, please drop your comments under this video, and I'll make sure to go back and finish reading about Obbo Lacam and Obbo Lacam before going to Pajok. It seems like I'm going to be skipping a lot of important facts for now. I'm going to go back later, okay? This is a very big book, okay? And then he also covers, again, what he asserts here as Aburi Olamo Onyala. This is the claim that Aburi Olamo Onyala, that means Aburi, Chief Aburi, cursed Onyala. Why? We don't know. Should I read it? Should I come back later? Can I skip for now? Drop your comments, okay, guys? So here, one of the sections is Aburi Olamo Onyala. I'm skipping over this right now. And then the next section after that is Ogeno Bene Olamo Onyala. Ogeno Olamo Onyala. Okay. Wow. A lot of people Olamo Onyala. Why? We don't get to find out right now. I'll come back later and read it, and we can find out why. Onyala, Olamo Onyala. Why did they curse Onyala? What did he do? Okay. And then the next section of Choningoni, Onyala Onero Adur Latina Nyaha Mikoyo Iporo Layara. So is that why Olamo en Obinero Latina Nyaha Moyo Diporo Layara? Is that why Olamo en? So I'm not going to read again, okay? We'll come back to this topic later. Drop your comments, please. Share with your friends. Please drop a comment if you want me to stay on this chapter and read everything. in order instead of skipping up ahead to Obbo Lacam. Thank you. And then the next section after that is Tuo Gituo Anino Onerodano. Tuol Gituo Anino Onerodano. So this next section is how snake and sleeping sickness, I'm assuming it's anemia. You guys drop your comments. Sleeping sickness is anemia? Is that what they're gonna refer to as anemia? Tuo anino or nerodano. So it looks like a lot of people in the 1920s, they were dying, being bitten by snakes, and they had like this sleeping disease. I'm trying to figure out what that is. Is it anemia in Acholi? Or English? Tuo anino? Okay, drop your comments, please. And then he goes into Team Abong. Again, so he goes back to explain the Abong territory, where these people come from and where they settled. Okay, he goes into detail about Kitara. Again, remember, I already read about all of this, but he wants to go back and reiterate and re-explain everything again. So I'm skipping over it for right now. Okay. And then he goes into what? Team Kitara. Again, I already read that earlier. Please go watch previous sections. I read quite a bit. And then he goes into what? Lowudo. I'm not sure if I covered Lowudo earlier. I don't in other sessions. Okay. I may want to read Lowudo, but not right now. Okay. I don't have much interest at the moment. I'll come back and read the other Gungi or the other subclans of Obbo Latwich. Okay. And then he goes into Team Gigot Me Lowudo, more details about Lowudo. And then he goes into describing Agulu Kot Lowudo. What does that mean? If you know, it can't mean Lowudo, but drop your comments if you're from Lowudo. Me Obbo, from Obbo, Lowudo. And then he goes into Oyere. Why did I think Oyere was in I thought Oyere was in Pajok. Why did I think that? I'm in a group called Pajok Gantua, and there's some people in there from Oyere. Did Oyere get separated from Obbo? Drop your comments. I guess I'm gonna find out later. Did it get separated from Obbo or me? It get both Pajok after morning. Is that what happened? Drop your comments. I know I'm gonna come back to this later, okay? Since we're all learning together, I don't know if you know this information. Kindly drop your comments. I'll pour my text. Okay. I hope you guys can see me okay, and I hope my video is not delayed. It's been delayed the past couple of times, and I hope this angle is okay. I might have to switch back to the other angle. Let me know if this angle's better than the other angle. Drop your comments. I'll pour. And then he goes into Team Gigot by Oyere. He's still going into details about Oyere. And then he goes into details about Pokonga. Okay. I do remember that when Pajok does help Obbo fight some of their battles against the other tribes, Obbo gives some part of Obbo to Pajok. Maybe that's why some of these subclans in Obbo seems like they are the subclans in Pajok now that I've heard of. Okay. Team Gigot Pokonga, Koyo, Lokomini. Okay, if you're from these places, drop your comments if you want me to go back. If you want me to go back and read about your subclan and where you come from, right now, drop your comments. Otherwise, I'll come back later. Okay. And then he goes into Koyo, Uganda. Okay. Some of these territories get split up between Southern Sudan and Uganda, or between the different subclans in Southern Sudan, or between the subclans in Uganda. Okay, so you'll find Koyo in Uganda, Koyo in Southern Sudan, and it seems like there's Koyo subclan in I may be wrong. in Obbo, and then like Oyeres in Pajok. Am I wrong? Okay, and then he goes into detail about Koyomi, Sudan. And then he goes in more detail about Dano or Dakpin Ite God Lotii. We already talked about how the Obbo people moved around and ended up back in Lotii. Okay, they went to Alia, they went to Lul, they went to Lotii. Okay, they kept moving around. Okay, so he goes into detail how they came back to God Lotii. And remember, I read all of this earlier. He just wants to go back and re-explain everything in detail. It seems like he's getting more information and he's adding to this section. Okay. Then he goes into Team Gig God Koyo. Okay, I read some of that earlier. And then he goes into Mono Dahodano Iwi God Lotii Pilokom to Anino. Okay, the Gidai got Lotii because this sleeping disease was, I guess, rampant. Was it an epidemic or a pandemic? Okay, in the 1800s? No, in the 1800s, basically. So people kept moving around. Late 1800s, early 1900s, they were moving around. Okay. And then he goes into Tingili. He goes into detail about Tingili. Okay. And then he goes into detail about God Gitimpa Tingili. Okay. He goes into detail about Ngabara. And then he goes into detail about Timgi God Ngabara. And then he goes into detail about Iyire. Okay. He goes into more detail about why Danogi Opokomere. Okay. And then he goes into detail about Timgi God Iyire again. Okay. And then he ends it there. Then he goes into the next chapter that explains Obbo Lacam, Obbo Mamala. That's what I want to get to today, okay? It took me about 17 to 20 minutes to get to this point. But now we know what we're missing for now, what I'm going to have to go back to and read later in detail. But mind you, I already covered most of it already, okay? In the past 35 sessions or so, past 30 sessions or so, okay? You can go back and watch those videos. Now, I did on you do me a pa or ball a cham or ball mamalo. Okay, I pull out my tech. If you're from a ball Lacam, please drop your comments, join as an audience member, share this video with friends and family on your Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever, any social media platform. We're here to learn. I'm learning about all of this. I'm learning about Obbo Lacam today. This is the first time I will be reading about Obbo Lacam or even learning about Obbo Lacam. I know nothing about this. Please drop your comments if you have any information or if you want to clarify anything that I'm reading today. Okay, so I'm just going to spend about 10 to 12 minutes reading about Obbo Lacam. I'm going to try to read as fast as I can. If you have any clarification about any of this, please drop your comments. I just want to give you a brief highlight of the different dogola or the different topics, headlines that he will cover in this book. Okay, he will cover Pajombo Bura. Okay, he will cover Team God Pajombo. He will cover Logolo. Remember, Joseph Otira came from Logolo, so he's from Obbo Lacam. Okay. He will go into Team God Logolo. He will go into Ngani Padyeri. Team God Padyeri. Okay. He will go into Opokomere. Kadong Team God Opokomere. Okay. He will go into Lokide. Team God me Lokide. And then he goes into Pingodano Mao Bino Giwara Oponyo Leb Acholi Yot. Explaining why they all learn Leb Acholi fast. It sounds like Jo Lokide, Munu Jo Lotugo, Logo Leb Lotugo. How did they learn Leb Acholi fast? Okay. So Lacam, chapter 10, is very brief. It's about 10 to 12 pages. About 10 pages, 10 to 11 pages maybe. Okay. He talks about these places, and then he goes to chapter 11 where he's going into discussing Agulu Kot Obbo, which I will skip, I think, for now. So I can go read about Ngani Pajok. Let me see how much time he spends on here. Then he goes to Tim Bura. Oh, he's going to talk about Bura? Okay, Pajok will be Ngani, chapter 12. Okay, let me read really fast. Let me read about chapter 10. Do me apa Obbo Lacam as fast as I can before we get to Pajok in the next couple of days. And Apoa Matek, we'll leave your comments. Please share. Apoa. Okay. Lachojo choni ngani. Do me apa Obbo Lacam yo Obbo malo. Obbo Lacam yo Obbo mamalo kono tie idok uri matino a beach kidman. Pajombo, Logolo, Padyeri, Opokomere Lokide. Mi konyo wan wek wan nyang mabe. Ikom dok uri megi. Atamani bedo bem total kawan neno gin gia achel. Okay. Pajomo. Gang Pajomo tie dok uri matina dek. Mana ye Pajombo Bura, Pajombo Okwee, gi Palyec. Kid duju obino gi kabedo ma parapat kid ma wabinena pinkan. Okay? Pajombo Bura. Wabedo kaneno ipot warga ma okarangej ma wacho ni dano mi ario ma odonyo ilobo mi Obbo aye jo Pajombo gi pokongo. Okay? Jo Pajombo Bura obino gi lobo Lango. Wow. If you're from Pajombo Bura, you guys come from Lango, Uganda. Okay? La dira gora ye mao ke lo luak mi Bura gi Uganda. Gino pore waka gi omega. Gi mao gi omega gi ma odonga ngej. Pilokom laro diangi pawunge. Ma Agoro oneno ni lok odoko tek. Enotamon mi weko omegi mere ilobo Lango. Okay, I hope I'm not delayed. And dong o Chaka would gi dano ma miro lobo kore. Gino woro makun gin dok kwere yotung Sudan. Luakpa Agoro o woro gi du diangi romi wagidiri mapola ta. Ento omego pa Agoro modong ilobo Lango twingi pe obero yom ikom jobura. Pien gin okwanyo diangi mapol magin oringo kwere waho Sudan. Pe piman keken gin bene okelo bul ker maribo jo Pajombo Bura gilango. Okay. Majo Pajombo o ki te got ayiba gino nongo pengeo kama dano mi Obbo nyo dano mi Pajok tie iya. Okay. Gindong ogero ite godman ma kun gin bene tamo gina ye dano mi achiel mi bino ingoman. Ikarama chon dano maro dwa alibo total ma inongo wigang achiel mi achuli chiro kadwa alibo itima chunye oyero pien mwaka macha tima pol pere gi wegine ento jopa jok omar dwa alibo ite got ayiba okay tie nino mo achiel jopa jok ochiro gi dwa alibo megi ite got ayiba ikarma gino o kuno ada gino orware kom jopa jomo dano mi pa jok onongo bene pengyo ni dano tie ite got ayiba pien kare gi kare gin bino idwa kanye chi gin pe nongo ngat mo malu diro pa jok oneno luak dano man gile megi gin dong openyo Rwot megi magi luongo ni Rwot Agoro ka dano man twere chiro kwegi pajo ento Rwot Agoro kwero Rwot gi dano mi pa jok pilok ario mi achiel pien Rwot nongo ni ngoma tie ite gora yiba obedo ngoma be mi pur pepi man keken ngoman bene onongo be mi ka chum pale kakum mi ario ma Rwot Agoro okwero chiri pa jok aye ni eno woro gi kidikot wa gi bul ke mere piman en pe miro bero ite loch pa Rwot kot mokene lotino pa jok ma neno ni Rwot Agoro mi bura okwero Rwot kwege gin bene peo dio en dano mi pa jok dong owero luak pa Rwot Agoro ite got ayiba okay inge moka manok la dit achura ma obedo okeyo mi bura okelo dwan ma pire tek bot jo Pajombo Bura okay Pajombo Bura i Sudan makun eno wacho kwede ni lotino Lango magin bene omero mi bura mi modong chen mira bino kaduro dano ka chiel gi diangi waka pajo i Uganda jo bura obedo ka kuru lotino Lango ma otero chok dwe ario kulu ento gi gumarach lotino Lango pe obino pieno nongo podi gin tie ka yungo tam megi kid mi wot kala chien dano mi bura otamani ka kid man la dira chura pe wajo loga da eno miero bet la goba oops excuse me dano mi bura maneno ni lotino Lango dong pe obino kid ma achura wajo ada gino dok kabedo ata ma wigi wil wahoni lo mokene dong pere ma wabineno ya nyim Jo Bura omar buru gicheng ite bunga matie loka atebi chi tie nino mo achiel gi abura macho tie kai yueyo ite bunga man gino bedo kaneno le mapara pa tie ka ringo yo tung bodgi mapiny bedo ni pia otuongo bene ring manungo piny bedni dir what are you talking about anyway dana mi bura na Lotino Lango dong dibino ko so they stayed okay naka jui Leb Acholi le gi otunga what is that drop your comments le gi otungo katie ka ngwech kidman dana tamachut ni le mokena maduong o madongo chalo liech nyo jubi no tie kabino ikara macho oneno le ki atunga atuongo, sorry, mapol, tie karingo, kidman, gino choyo dano, ochoyo dano, duchu, manino o makawangi, ka gino karo loga, atebi, bodmon, gilotino, mangat achel, donyo I ot, kwanyo tungi, tonge, gi kuot, mikur gin, ango matie kabino. Mikur gi ango matie kabino. Manok kany, manok kany, nyo manok kanye, cho, oteno kumgi, ikom gang, kakuru gin, kakurgi matie kabino, macho bero chok wang chawa abong wen. Okay? Imi wo. La chien, chogi ya wobe otamani, kakid manen chalo gin mo maraj pere, piman dana duju o donye ot kaburo. E kare macho mon gilotino tie kanino, jo lango obino orumugin. Gi ko gweno, manino onongo mit chalo picado anyeri. Okay, so the Acholi people, blah, blah, blah. Gimaranino, gidi ching, giti akorule, gerenga ot, giranino, digo choma purginino, nino meat, jolanga bino rumugin. Remember, jolanga nemun jobura, magi bino di Uganda. Okay? Ki odigo chon, mate ping okwara, mate piny okwara, langi ochoro ikom pajomo, mate atum gero ngom. Manongo piny bero ni nyim. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Okay. Ikar majo pajomo nena ni, langi dong obino maraj, gin otoro nge gangwek, mon gilotino oringi pajok. Jo Bura ono tie gi le mapol ma mon gilotino pe tuero goyo tegi dichu. Piman mon gilotino okwanye teng le kagin oweko le mokene. Okay? Idwal. Langi donyi idi gang macho gero ilweny pinino adek kolo. Ingen nina adek jo langi obuoyo kero pajomo. Cho pajomo ma neno ni kero megi odogo nok. Gino loko ngegi. Gin oringa bene ipajok. Okay? So, gibino ka attack jo pajomo. Okay? Getting a high pajomo. Luak mi lango dong o donyi gang gino goro diangi duchu mo weka angech ka gin dong o go te diangi megi mi do gin ilobo lango or Uganda. Okay? Dano ma inino ma okaro angech gin obino gi achora ada dano man odok chien I Uganda ento achora pe odok pien onongo ni ringo tie duong I god luo kama eno to yela chien. Pilog man oweko bo opor kwere ki lok ni ombo nyo kani wala chani onego wuot achora igot Pajombo. So eno kwere daka kang onego eni Pajombo. Chidano mo kena wacho ni ladira chora to ilweny man ma obero ikin Pajombo gi Langi. So when did he really die? Jo Pajok ayu ma oneno ni oneno mon gi Lotii kachiel gi diengi Pajombo tie ka donyo bodgi pajo gino odongo duru maluak duju ogore kanyamo lok kit ma michiro kalar luak mi Pajombo ite got ayiba. Okay. Ada jo Pajok ayu inge nyamo lok gin ongolo wi Langi ikare ma gin dong gin tie kadok Uganda. Okay. Dana mi ayu olwanya matek ikom Langi micho no macho gi awobe Langi wacho gi awobe Pajok mapolo to. Okay. Ilwany man ento Pajok onongo tie gi kula madit maloyo kula pa Lango. Piman oweko Pajok obuoyo jo Lango gino riemo Langi ka gin oduoko diengi Pajombo duchu bodgi. Wow, Pajok defeated Langi. They ran. Gikonyo jo Pajombo. Okay. Inge man Rwot ochieng Lokor moy mi Pajok okero luak mi Pajombo ite loj mere. Chi Rwot ochieng ma oneno ni Rwot Agoro mi Pajombo bene tie gi kirikot wagi bulke Rwot ochieng dong otamni ka kid man Rwot Agoro pe twere bedo ite loj mere en dong omiyo Rwot Agoro obed Rwot Paitenge gi Pajombo. Jo Paitenge bene pe okwere lok pa Rwot ochieng. Okay. Pimano weka luak mi Paitenge duju dok ite loj pa Rwot mi Pajombo. Okay. Ento inyimiol luak mi Paitenge bod Rwot Agoro Rwot ochieng olungo gin duju achiel ka ochiko bodgi ni wala lok matek ni Lotii na Pajombo gi Lotii na mi Paitenge miero gino keri I wigi ne gin dana achiel nyo omeo. Okay. Piman nyomo miero bene pe otime ikingi ento ka Latin Paitenge oto weho daho Latin Pajombo twero donyo I ot twero loyo ne chalo daho pao mine. Ka Latin Pajombo bene oto oweha daho Latin Paitenge bene twero donyo I wiye. Okay. Mapori pe otero kare mapo jo Pajok obino gi peny bod Rwot Agoro magin owacho kwere bore ni kin ma wan Pajok dong wakonyo un ki icheng jo Lango wamir ni in Rwot Agoro miero ichul wan gi Lotii nyira abiro. Rwot Agoro mowunyo logman eno penyo luak mi Pajok ka en twero chulo gin gi diengi abiro kawang nyira abiro ento jo Pajok kwere tampa Rwot Agoro woko. Okay. Kid malok dong odoko tek Rwot ochieng gi Rwot Agoro gino bero piny ka gibero piny kengi ka nyamo lok man Rwot mi Pajombo wajo ni wala wajo bod Rwot ochieng ni kid maluak meri pe miro diengi abiro andong abi miyo tim mewa magi lungo tim ayuma bot pajok ka eno mere gi lok ni timan miero ori pajok gi pajombo. Okay, ruoro ching okwanyo lok man ochwalo bud luak mere min nongo tamgi gin tamo gitami ye nining dana mi pajok duju ochaka tam paruor Agoro eto jo pajomo karibet gino mio tim man bot pajok wanongo ni gin pori bene tie gi twero manok ikom tim man. Why? Pieni kara midwa jo pajok pe twero lamo tim man gin kengi atin ja Pajombo Bura miro omila mere wek ra pe ngol dano pien kala tin pajok ma olamo tim man en kene chile twero romodano idwa. Okay, lodiro bo obiro kawaje borani e achiri mi ayup mi lok mi timan jo pajok obiro ka lobul lokid ma jo pura chira ento inge moha manok gi dit twin pajok gin orweo dwa ayuma labong penyo la gi bot latin pajomo ikar madano chiro idwa letim onego dano mapol mada maluak mi pajok dong ochaka koroni timan dong onego wan maloyo wel dano ma jo langi onego ikar ma wabero kalweny kwedge. Okay, magi wunyo loko wajani mir poli jo pajomo mir gilam team before we chira hunting ye kare ni omiyo bugi wunyo loko gino nego gin chira hunting di team nego gino timan do miero ochak nyinge ni oloyo lweny man bene nyuru bodwa kid ma team ayuma teen or team oloyo lweny. Oh, that makes sense. If you guys know about oloyo lweny, drop your comments. I wouldn't about oloyo lweny, but I didn't know, the significance or even the story behind it. Okay, man no nge ping o chaka nying team ene ngo oloyo lweny. Okay, mapori pe otero moha mapol chwar airo mi paitenge. I don't know if I'm saying this name correctly. Who drop comments? Chwar airo mi paitenge otawaga lodiro kahadong obero kawajani Rwot oching ochikoni kala chio mi paitenge oto mir latin mi pajomo odon bodago e ot. Okay, adalo diro kahawego latin la chio achil mi pajomo donye iwi aero. Okay, so chwa aero netido dago mi paitenge chwara to owego la chio pajomo donyo do chwara after chwara to. Okay, kai nge due manok aero o yach lotino paitenge kare magin owunyo lok mi yach pa aero wigi o wilwago ikin check ma Rwot ocheng lokwor moy ochiga piman lok mi yajo pa aero okelo kugu madit atiga ikin jo pajomo gi paitenge madano mapol gi Leb Acholi obero kawachoni jo paitenge onongo oye lok pa Rwot ocheng gi morkot matien koke ni gino nongo pe ochwako tampa Rwot ocheng la kor moy. Kiti a dog chien git kwera ni bon gin bogi ye ni la chomi pajomo chwara donyo widaka mi paitenge a chwara da na gi dog look to na okay ningo log mi ya jo pa iro mano weho nino mo a chiel latin pa jok oturo goro diongi palatin pa jombo ma en miron ni diongi man wek ochul tim marach malatin pa jomo otimo ikom la mingi madaho tugi latin jo pa jomo mo neno ni dano tie ka donyo idwal diang nyero kwany atero gi atum ka ochielo kwede dano man I atingili ka oporo piny oto woko chut. Wow. It's intense. Latin pa jomo nongo pe ngeo ni mana ye latin mi pa jok matie ka kwalo diengi mere pien ikare cha kwa mi diengi onongo tie pol ikindano. Ma inongo ni dano mo kene bene bino gi wako ka kwalo diengi. Manok kany telemita okok luak mi pa jok gi pa jomo dujo gore komgi maparpat ka gino chako chobo komgi lueny mano biro. What is this word? Obero concho wala concho kuncho. I don't know what that means. Concho. We'll drop comments to Kungio. Matien look ne will dano mauto ilwen man obero marom. Inge ni na dek mal lobo lwen man luak mi pa jomo tamo mi dok wako chien Obbo. Gin Agoro komgi ka gimaho yo ma dok ite got ayiba. Mana yegin ma weho jo pa jomo odok kwere ilobo mi Obbo. Jo pa jomo ma odok Obbo gin pe donyo ite loch pa Rwot kasiba Rwot mi Obbo. Gino gak ite loch pa Rwot megi ma nyinge Agoro. Muni mi Britain ma nongo gino loyo lobo Sudan openyo Rwot kasiba gi Rwot Agoro ni gin miero obed kachiel chalo omego kari bed ngad man loyo kome kene. Okay? Rwot kasiba gi Rwot Agoro peo kwer tampa la loch mi Britain ma weko bero odogo yot bodke. Okay, they agreed to be together when the British came. Pajombo Okwee Obino gi Bilinyang Pajombo Okwee Obino gi Bilinyang nyobar. Okay? Kech Oriemogin ikin mwaka apar bichiel gi piera bongwan we beach lo diro pajomo chalo afulanario kira nying mo jone Jesus Christ chalo afulanario o wajabora ni mwaka apar bichiel gi piera bongwan we beach ke jo por maraji lobo ba mamon cho gi lotino to maduong la di olwedo aye ma nongo loyo dano mi pajomo Okwee ikare ma gin pori tie ilobo ba man jomo bingi ba jo pajomo eni gibingi ba. Okay, en olwedo ma oneno ni luak mere tie ka to maduong ikech okwanyo luak ka gino chako wuot makun gin dok kwere yo tung poru cheng jo Pajombo Okwee or chok nina dik ka gino o e panyikwara. Okay, nen chalo dana mi Pajombo Okwee onongo dana mi panyikwara tie iwi got does he mean iyire chokan iwire gindong ogon kany pi dwe manok chi kar ma Rwot olwero oneno ni lwak dong oywe oromo en owacho ni gin miero omere gi wuot anyim gi dano mokene okwero lupa Rwot olwero gin odong egoloba man bene nyuru bodwa ni kidma nyuru bodwa kidma oweko Pajombo tintie igaloba panyikwara. Okay, Rwot olwero maneno ni dano mokene dong okwero wuot anyim woko en okwanyo lwak mokene magin podi miro wuot anyim ka gin ochiro igot pakwa ayiba. Wan dong pe wang'iyo ka dano mi Pajombo Bura ma okwongo ok igot pakwa nyo dano mi Pajombo Okwee aye ma kwongo ok igot pakwa. Pien dano mokene wacho ni Bura aye ma kwongo ok ikom got pakwa ka dano mokene bene wacho ni jo Pajombo Okwee aye ma kwongo ok igot pakwa. Okay, Pajombo Palyec gin bene obino gi Bilinyang nyoy oriba. Okay, gino woro kachiel gi dano mi Pajombo Okwee dog nen chal teng dano mi Palyec mokene bene dong igoloba. Ento dano ma dong igoloba gin olungo kum gini Pajombo gino lungo kum gi gi nying achiel ni Pajombo pien pi miro pogo kum gi Palyec nyo Okwee. Wan bene pe wang'eyo ka Pajombo Okwee gi Pajombo Palyec matin wak logo pi gini ono tie dok ot achiel nyo gino ok oa gi dok ot maparapat ki i Bilinyang nyo gi ba. Okay, lodiro wajo bora ni Lotii na nyira gi Lotii na wuobe mi Palyec pe nyome gi Lotii na nyira nyo Lotii na wuobe mi Bura. Gin ma weko Lotii na Palyec gi Lotii na Bura pe nyome wan pe wang'iyo ento wan yang maber ni jo Bura obino gi Lango Uganda ka jo Palyec kono obino gi Bilinyang o Bar. Okay, ka dok ot man ario gi kabero maparapat chi kinango ma weko gin pe nyome ikinge. If you know, please drop your comments. Ka in me Obbo Pajombo Bura nyo Okwee jo Palyec. Pinga unyome ko if you came from different places. A child from Uganda, child from Ba. Ubero ka child panyikwara, but pinga unyome ka pinga ubi nywal utimogina unyom between the two of you before ukwere don't po unyome wala ngo. Pinga ukwere nyome ko ubino from different places. Ubino from different tribes. Okay. Team got Pajombo la chojo choni ngone. Team gi got Pajombo. Jo Pajombo tie gi team angwen. Mana ye team ongol kor ma wange oromo gi team okony kor ka team Logolo. La team mi Pajombo Okwee ye ma lamo team man. Won team ogol kor mi achiel ye la dit olwero. Inge topa olwero dana beach ma pe wang'eyo nyingi obero kalamo timo ng'ol kor gi ka gi inge dano man a beach la dit itingo wi itingo wi odogo won tim. La dit itingo wi odogo won tim. Nge topa itingo wi wore magi lungo lo pit odogo. Lo pit odogo won ke odogo won ke. No, odogo won tim. I'm sorry. What team en lo pira ye ma pori tie won team ongol ko. Okay? Team Pajomo mi aria ye team okonkor ma wang Romo mere tie ma wang Romo mere tie ki team ongol ko. I don't know what he's saying here. Team Akidi, team Bongwon, team Bongwan, team Jum, gi team Oloyo Lweng, ka team mi adek a ye team Amoyo Tonga, ma wange Oromo, gi team Logolo. Team Chiri, team Okonkor, team Bongwan, got a chombo gi wang Lobuchu. Team Miangwen a ye team Pakwa ma wange Oromo gi team Marigala ma en bene team Magui. Team Oburo nyo team Ogoro, team Ogora pa Agoro la Twitch. This is a mouthful. It's too much. Yella. Team Gili. Team Gili. Team got Achila. He got Kalindio. Pa Jo Panyikwara. Dong team Okonkor. Team Amoyo Tonga. Gi team Pakwa. La Did John Ochano ga. Aye malamo. En bene ma royal ento pe wangio dano ma ochaho royal team. Maggie adek. Dano mi Pajomo tiegi got achiel. Magi luongo got Pakwa nyo Ayeba. Got Ayeba, got Pakwa. Now we're done you Logola. Don't 3 minutes got to it. It's a lot, actually. Let me read Logolo. Team Logolo, and then I'm going to end for today. Looks like I need another day to finish Obbo Lacam. Okay. I'm going to read Logolo and Team Logolo, and then I'm going to end. You drop your comments, guys. Please share. I pour my deck. Logolo. Gang mi Logolo tie dok uri matino ario. Mana ye Pawino gi Pakuka. Dok uri man duchu yo bino gi dok on me kor matie Lokoro. Oh, Jo Lokoro. Gino bino ite nying achiel magi luongo Logolo kala chien gino pore e dog uri ario matin wa luongo Pawino gi Pakuka. Ikar ma gino o lobobo. Okay, sorry. Oh, walungo gin gimuni kar magi o lobobo. Kadong la dit oyoko aye o kela luak mi Logolo gi lobo li ful en bena woro gi Lotii na wobe mere ario magi luongo Okuka gin gi Owino obedo Latin kayo pa Ayoka ka Akuka o lobo inge Owino. Wan bene pa wangeo ka Akuka gi Owino min gi tie achiel nyoma parapat ento gin ma wangeo aye ni Lotii na ario man duchu won gi tie achiel. Okay. Latin Ayoka oweko lobo mi Lokoro gi luak mere. Okay, Ayuka agi Lokoro oboro jotugo bino Lotii ni bere. Kanong ginango o weko lobo mi lokoro gi luak mere pi lokom da ma beri kin gin gi omego ma odong chen I lokoro. Leb Acholi o wajo borani lok mi da man nen chalo o Chaka kom laro lonyo pa wego pien won ayoka onongo tie dano ma olony. En tie gi diengi wa romi ma duong. Lotii Logolo kari bet gin onongo kabedo manyeni Obbo pori wanongo ni wigi pe owil ikom tim anywa madana mi kor obedo katimo ikomgi. Pilogman o weko Jo Logolo o chobo dana mi kor imoha apar bongwen ga par bichel. Okay? Ikar magin tie kachiro ipajok kaneno omegi mokene matie kuno. Ento kari bet Jo Logolo tie gi chwer chuny ikom dana mi kor man pe tien lok ni wad dong pere ikinge. Gin tie wad matut mada. Gin ma nyuruni dano man podi tie gi lok mi akara maturi kinge ayene imwaka apar bongwen gi pier beach wi apar bongwen gi pier bichel. Lotino mikor obero ka wot I Obbo bot Celestino apire mi Pakuka. Ka onongo lok mi wat pe tie matek ikingi do kono dano mi kor pe bino I Logolo I Obbo. Okay? Ladir ayoka onongo dano mi Obbo pori tie I Lotii ka owajo bot Rwot koyo ni Rwot wan dano ma kabedo mewa pere otie ka yenyo ngom mi bedo wamirni ka itie gi tim ma bedo nono miero imi bodwa wekwa will. Okay? Rwot koyo ma winyo kit man eno kwanyo timegi achiel ocharo bot Jo Logolo kadano dong ochako nying tim man ni Tim Logolo. Wan bene pawangio kadano mi koyo chon gi chon onongo lungo tim man gi nying mene. Man luak pa ayoka dong otiro wilo Tim Logolo gi bot Jo Jakoya gin pe ogero I tim man ento gin ogero I kom Jo koyo I got Lotii. Why? Mano kany dwe mi pur o Ramadano matie I wi got Lotii duchu ochiro pa pur I poro. Owino bene onongo ngom mi apura en dong obedo kapur matek en opiro wi kodi maparapat ma chiom pa owino ochek maka kiro ne odogo pere. Ento akuga obedo dano ma la nyap kum. I dwe ma dano tie kapur eno gire maro bedo pajo ka wudgi I dok ot pa dano. I dwe mi apar gi wi achiel ma dano tie ka kayo bel gi puro akuka pe okayo kari wi bel achiel. Man oweko kech odonyo bure I ot. Lotino pa akuga ma oneno ni gina chamo botgi peke gino maro wot I gang pa omin wongi ka yenyo cham. Okay? Lotii no man ka og igang Owino bene pe neno gin gi wang maleng pien Lotii no pa omine bino ka remo Lotii no mere gi cham. Okay. Tie nino mo achiel Owino donyo I ot ma Lotii no mere gi Lotii no pa omine tie I kacham. Oriemo Lotii no pa omine wa gi dak kuon. Okay. Ma wajo bod ki duan mi gero ni. Wudari gang pa wonu. Atie ki dano mi apira chipingo. Umiro mere bora pego mokene. Umiro mere bora pego mokene. Wonu la nyap kom. Empe miro pur. Endong tamani anga ma tuere pira doku. Lotii no pa Okuka mo winyo kidman gina amalo gi dok kun gina dok ot pa mingi chi kare ma Lotii no mano ok pajo gina wajo bod mongi lok duju ma Owino bedo ka wajo bodgi Okuka ma Owino lok olany pa Owino ochwe chunye no chunye ochwe Owino lok pa omine chunye ochwe ikome ka a chut ochiro boro mine ikare ma Okuka ok igang pa Owino ochaka penyo mine la chunguni tai penyi wani de ringare ano ini pur chomperi pe pero banga konyan ichiro ka penyo mero pingo be pur chomperi pe to ar pero Lotii per ko wite aga tira chung ot per ko penyo questions about regina ki pingo re Lotii per pingo be chiri pur chomperi kan mi pero Lotii per so chiro kuya kama piera boro mine kadani pingiri Lotii par mira Lotii pero cham pingiri Lotii par so chiro kuya ni ngo ochunguni pingo yero Lotii mera gidok kun chalo and peo mero we take go get a job ka kidman omera one dong pe watuero bero kweri ikabera chiel oh shut up just go inge due chiel Okuka dak waho gi kom omine ochiro gero chien manok gikany dong Okuka onywalo Lotino ka Lotino mere bene onywalo likwayo ka gino chako dok ot Martin gilungo gang Logolo gang Logolo ni Pakuka Martin loke ni dano nyolwak pa Okuka Owino bene onywalo Lotino ka Lotino bene onywalo likwayo ka gino luongo kom gini Pawino Martin lok ne dano nyolwak pa Owino man bene nyuru bodwa lok ango ma wego gang mi Logolo opore idok udi ario. It makes sense. Wagi chiri kuya. Jo Pakuka gichira tugi. Chira pumatek. Mira chomi nono. Choma dango. Lotii pero bene montu ite. Ke chiro ka chemi ganga uncle. Because he puru ko when he been a puru ko he bought reminds me of some people. Kaya chira penyo chomu yetek chira maka per ko yaka twist ni mero champi riem Lotii para mero cham ni riem ping anu ano mero ko kala fare chiri no teach chiri pur wagi poka Logolo poka yare pa Owino gi pa Okuka. Okay, yala the last section makwano any ngani team gi got Logolo. No, I'm sorry. Team gi got Logolo. It's just one paragraph. Okay. Joining on it, Jo Logolo, Tiegi team a chiel, Magi Lungani, Tim Logolo. Ma Wange, Oromo, Gi team, Konkor, or Konkor, team, Omoyo Tonga, team, Bong, one, team, Amalach, Gi team, Nyara. Dano mi Logolo, Owilo team man, Gi Bojo koyo. Inge bino megi gi ilobo Logolo, Latin mi dok od mi Pawino a ye makuru chiriba. Okay? Mi timan. Lotino cho mi Pawino machion magin obero kakoro chiriba. Mi timan wanpe wangeo nyingi. Ento dana ma lama dok Royal Team Logolo in Mohamman. Madano ngeo. Ena ye Samuel Tekwaro. Dano mi Logolo bene tiegi jok achiel keken mana ye jok agor or jok agore. Jok agor. Kunge will drop your comments. Okay, ento gin piregi got. I don't know what he's saying here. Okay, anabora kan no cha digi. I till the rest of Obbo Lacam. It's only I don't get on it. 5 pages. 5 pages digi till look me Obbo Lacam. Kadong adonyo keregina. The next couple of days adonyo kakwana pajok. I want to finish Obbo Lacam. It's very brief, 5 more pages or so. There's another section right after that about Obbo Lacam. I'm not sure if I want to cover it, but I will see. Tomorrow at least I cover the bulk of Obbo Lacam. Okay? So guys, I'm not gonna drop an English commentary because it's so long. This recording is very long. This live is very long. Okay. Apoa Matek, if you're watching, please watch all the way through if you want to learn something. I mean, I tell Aponya. Okay. Mana ne dan bir ka gor kanjo langi gibino gi Uganda. Gibino do Jobura. Yeah, lagi bidon de Acholi. Kalagi mo ni gibino gi Uganda gitemo to swindle again. Ka gibino gi lonya do komge. Jo pajok mo konya gindo gi lonya against langi. Ni do odiang itigi gile tugi mo ni. Gidong de Acholi kuja. Yala obimi gingo mo gi beri genen lodge tugi. Road Agoro. Gibere gigang tugi, gibere jo Pajombo. Yala kon wafana ningo, jo mo gibino ge jo Pajombo Palyec ni. Gibino ge Bilinyang wale ba. Jo Lokoro gibino ge ngane, Lokoro. Jo Logolo. Gibino ge Lokoro. Or Lokoro. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I will finish up tomorrow on Obbo Lacam, okay? And I'll pour my tag, okay? I know this is a very long video. Please stay tuned. Please share. Please subscribe. Man Chaka Leb Acholi, okay? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chaka Leb Acholi. Please follow us on YouTube. Okay, please share, please subscribe. Please follow us on TikTok, Jackline Ikang South Sudan. Please follow my personal Facebook, Jackline Ikang South Sudan. The official Facebook for this channel is Chaka. Segment in Kwan Leb Acholi is under Chaka Leb Acholi. Stay tuned on Apoa Tech. It's a lot of information we need to cover about Acholi, our people, our land, where we come from, our history, all the different clans in Acholi, all the different subclans. Too much. Even if you try man, we wear anything, go Sudan, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, your law can be for your door, get it come to Acholi. Lango do chin Jamo Magi do chin Jamo getting a Sudan or getting a Uganda Mano Title Viro Gi Matia or Buri getting a lot of Uganda. Then I will you wear my doom. So there's a lot to cover, a lot to learn, honey. Stay tuned on Kwan and Lotii. And Jackline Ikang of court. Stay tuned on Palyec.